to Delia. We just thought we would give you a quick little introduction as to who we are. Myself, I've been doing hairdressing for a long time, 50 years actually altogether, hairdressing and wig making. And Delia?
I've been in the wig and hair replacement and hairdressing business also for 30 years.
Now for the gentleman. We use a variety of base shapes and sizes as not one head is identical to another. The bases, which are available in various formats, are made from a fine lace material, which is lightweight and when held against the scalp, looks identical to a natural head of hair. These before and after photos are a good example of what a difference a full head of hair or just a little bit extra can do for any man. Hair thinning is often a gradual process. We recommend introducing a small section of fine thin hair which can be increased in time as required. Hair replacements are attached with double-sided tape, flat snappy clips or scalp adhesive. Hair regrowth and maintenance will dictate the frequency of removal. This will depend on various factors which are covered in your maintenance contract. In this example, our client chose a longer, more funky look which perfectly matches his personality. There is a choice between acrylic or human hair or a mix of the two hair types. During consultation, the correct hair replacement and base combination is chosen.
We hand make beards, moustaches and sideburns to conceal facial scarring or for theatrical and advertising purposes.
Goodbye from a few grey hairs.
Goodbye!